Did you know that adding cloves to your daily coffee can unlock incredible health benefits? I'm going to tell you all about this powerful combination of two remarkable ingredients, and I'll even tell you how to prepare it the right way, in the right amount. Most people drink coffee every morning without a second thought, and most people use cloves only during the holidays. But what happens when you combine them? You're going to love this. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll never look at your coffee cup the same way again. Before we get into the benefits, let's talk about what coffee and cloves actually are. Coffee is a daily staple for most of us, but it's much more than just a caffeine kick. It's actually a complex, nutrient-rich beverage packed with polyphenol like chlorogenic acid. These powerful compounds fight inflammation, act as antioxidants, support glucose metabolism, and have been proven to protect your liver. Clove, on the other hand, is far more than just a spice. It's one of nature's richest sources of eugenol, a powerful compound with anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties. Plus, it's packed with flavonoids and essential minerals that boost your metabolism. Individually, they're powerful. Together, they may offer a surprising range of health benefits backed by science. Let's break it down, starting with benefit number 1. Supports healthy digestion. Cloves and coffee have long been combined together for their traditional digestive and stimulating health properties. This warm spice contains eugenol, a natural compound that may help ease bloating and support gut comfort. Coffee's caffeine can gently stimulate stomach acid production, helping the body break down food efficiently. Clove also provides dietary fiber and manganese, nutrients that further support healthy digestive function overall naturally. With regular and moderate daily use, this combination may gradually support smoother, more comfortable digestion over time. Benefit number 2. Boosts metabolism. Coffee is widely known for its caffeine content, while cloves add warmth, spice, and rich antioxidants. Caffeine is well known to temporarily increase metabolic rate, helping the body burn calories a bit faster. This mild thermogenic effect may support energy expenditure when paired with an active daily lifestyle. Cloves contain manganese, which plays a role in metabolism and helps the body process nutrients efficiently. Over time, this combination may offer gentle metabolic support as part of a balanced and active lifestyle. Benefit number 3. Fights inflammation. Cloves have been used for centuries in traditional medicine for their powerful anti-inflammatory and healing properties. They contain eugenol, a compound studied for its ability to help reduce inflammation throughout the body naturally. When paired together with coffee's antioxidants, this effect may support the body's natural defenses well. Coffee also contains polyphenol, plant compounds linked to reduced inflammation and improved cellular protection over time. With mindful and regular consumption, this duo may gradually support a calmer, more balanced inflammatory response overall. Benefit number 4. Strengthens immunity. Cloves are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, nutrients traditionally valued for supporting the immune system. These compounds may help the body fight off harmful free radicals that can weaken immune defenses daily. Coffee also contains antioxidants that may support overall cellular health and much stronger immune resilience. Cloves further provide small amounts of vitamin K, which supports healthy blood function and tissue repair. Together, these two ingredients may offer gentle long-term support for a stronger and more resilient immune system. Benefit number 5. Promotes oral health. Cloves have long been used in traditional dental care for their natural antibacterial and soothing properties. Eugenol, the main active compound in cloves, may help reduce oral bacteria and ease minor tooth discomfort. This natural action may help support fresher breath and a cleaner, healthier overall mouthfeel. Coffee, despite its reputation, contains polyphenol that may help limit certain bacteria linked to gum irritation. With proper daily oral hygiene alongside it, this combination may gently support healthier gums and teeth long-term. Benefit number 6. Increases energy and alertness. Coffee is famous worldwide for its caffeine, a natural stimulant known for boosting energy and focus. When paired together with cloves, its warming aroma and taste may enhance alertness and overall sensory enjoyment. Caffeine works by gently blocking adenosine, a natural chemical that makes the brain feel tired. Cloves also contain small amounts of iron, a mineral essential for delivering oxygen to the body. Together, they may offer a natural, flavorful way to feel more awake and mentally sharp each day. Benefit number 7. Helps support blood sugar balance. Cloves have been studied for their potential role in supporting healthy and stable blood sugar levels. Some research suggests clove extract may help improve insulin sensitivity, supporting better glucose regulation in the body. This effect may gently help the body use dietary sugar more efficiently after regular meals. Coffee, particularly without added sugar, has also been linked to improved insulin response in several studies. Enjoyed in moderation, this combination may support more stable energy and healthier blood sugar levels over time. Benefit number 8. Provides powerful antioxidant protection. Both cloves and coffee are packed with antioxidants, compounds known for protecting cells from everyday damage. In fact, cloves are considered one of the most antioxidant-rich spices found in nature, according to research. These antioxidants may help reduce harmful oxidative stress, which slowly contributes to aging and disease. Coffee also adds chlorogenic acid, another antioxidant linked to reduced inflammation and improved long-term cellular protection. With consistent intake, this powerful antioxidant duo may support healthier cells and graceful aging over the years. Benefit number 9. Supports mood and mental focus. Coffee is well known worldwide for its mood-lifting effects, largely thanks to its natural caffeine content. Caffeine may gently stimulate the release of dopamine, a chemical linked to feelings of pleasure and motivation. This may help support a noticeably more positive mood and a much sharper mental focus. Cloves also contribute subtle aromatic compounds that may promote relaxation and a comforting, sensory drinking experience. Together, this pairing may gently support a calmer, more focused, and emotionally balanced state of mind daily. Benefit number 10. May support heart health. Cloves and coffee both contain compounds that have been studied for their impact on heart health. Moderate coffee consumption has been linked in some studies to a lower risk of certain heart conditions. This may be partly due to antioxidants that help support healthy blood vessels and circulation. Cloves also contain compounds that may help support healthy cholesterol levels within a balanced daily diet. When enjoyed regularly in moderation, this combination may offer gentle, long-term support for a healthier heart overall. Now, if you're excited to try this, here's how to do it properly, because simply tossing a whole clove into your brewed coffee won't give you much benefit. Cloves are tough and don't release their good stuff that easily. One way is to boil them first. Just drop 3 whole cloves into a small pot with some water, bring it to a boil, and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Make sure there's enough water so it doesn't dry out. Strain out the cloves and use that infused water to brew your coffee. You'll end up with a rich, well-blended clove flavor in every sip. If you're short on time, there's an easier route too. Just crush a small amount of cloves with a mortar and pestle and stir them straight into your brewed coffee. Grinding breaks them down and helps release more of the good compounds, so you still get a solid boost. Either way works. Just skip the sugar, condensed milk, whipped cream, or flavored syrups if you want the full benefit. Keep it clean and simple. So there you have it. 10 ways cloves and coffee, 2 simple ingredients, can support your body when enjoyed thoughtfully and in moderation. Remember, no single food is a cure-all, but small, consistent habits really add up over time. Next time you brew your morning cup, consider adding a pinch of cloves. Your body just might thank you for it. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you already put in your coffee? Leave a comment below because I'd love to know. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like the video. It helps the channel more than you know. Be sure to share it with anyone else who might enjoy it or benefit from it, and I'll see you in the next one.